restaurant, grocery store, bangko, simbahan, palengke at iba pa. No QR code, no entry. Kaya mag-download na upang hindi maabala. Ang serbisyong ito ay libre at pwedeng gamitin taga Valenzuela ka man o hindi. Bawat isang QR code ay para lang sa isang tao, kaya dapat ay may sariling code ang bawat individual na papasok ng establishmento. Kailangan pa rin palaging dalhin ang quarantine pass sa tuwing lalabas ng tahanan. Ang QR code ay kakailanganin lamang tuwing papasok ng establishmento.
Good day, grade 4 pupils. It's a brand new day, a brand chance to learn. Get ready and start learning and studying mathematics right at the comfort of your home. So set up your mind and ready your heart as we explore and conquer the world of grade 4 mathematics. So come on, get your pen, paper, and self-learning module and let's start to learn and to love mathematics. For today's lesson, you will learn how to visualize numbers up to 100,000 with emphasis on numbers 10,001 to 100,000. You will also learn how to gives the place value and value of a digit in numbers up to 100,000. And lastly, you will learn how to reads and writes numbers in symbols and in words up to 100,000. Now, I have here a picture. Do you know where is this place? Again? Yes, very good. It is the Araneta Coliseum that the new name now is Smart Araneta Coliseum. Did you know that the Smart Araneta Coliseum is one of the largest indoor arenas in Asia? Do you know how many people can be accommodated in this place? For today's lesson, you will learn how many people can be accommodated in this place. Now, I have here a problem. Angelo and his friends enjoy watching their favorite basketball game on television. They are surprised with how big the Smart Araneta Coliseum is, where the game is being held. They want to know how many people the arena could accommodate. So when the announcer announces that 14,526 people watch the game, they are really surprised. Can you imagine how big 14,526 is? Now, I will teach you how to visualize numbers up to 100,000 with emphasis on numbers 10,001 to 100,000 by using blocks. Now, this figure represents 1 cube. Now, if there are 10 cubes, so I have here now 10 cubes. So that is equivalent to a 1 long. And then, after that, if there are 10 longs, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 longs. So that is equivalent to 100 cubes. That is equivalent to a flat. There. And then after that, if there are 10 flats, so we have here 10 flats. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 flats. So that is equivalent to 1,000 cubes or a block. Therefore, we can visualize numbers by using blocks, by using this figure, such as black that represents 1,000, flat that represents 100, long that represents 10, and last is cube that represents 1. Now, there are steps on how can we visualize numbers by using blocks. The first step is we will convert number standard form to expanded form. So in 14,526, the expanded form of it is 10,000 plus 4,000 plus 500 plus 20 plus 6. And after that, for our step 2 is illustrate numbers with appropriate blocks. So in 10,000 and 4,000, so 10,000 plus 4,000 is equal to 14,000. So here we will use now blocks. So very good, we will use 14 blocks. So we have here now 14 blocks. After that is 500. So we will use here now flats. Very good, we will use 5 flats here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 flats. Then after that is 20. So we will use here now longs. How many longs we will use here? Very good. We will use 2 longs. So we have 1 and 2 longs. And after that is 6. So therefore, we will use here now cube to represent 6 here. How many cubes we will use here? Very good. We will use 6 cubes. So we have here 1. Again, we will use here 6 cubes. 6 cubes here. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 cubes. Very good. Now, therefore, we can visualize 14,526 by using 14 blocks, 5 flats, 2 longs, and 6 cubes. Now, let's have another example. Can you imagine how big 21,453 is? Again, we will visualize it by using blocks. Again, for the first step is we will convert number standard form to expanded form. So the expanded form of 21,453 is 20,000 plus 1,000 plus 400 plus 50 plus 3. And after that, for our step 2, we will illustrate numbers with appropriate blocks. So in 20,000 plus 1,000, that is equivalent to 21,000. Therefore, how many blocks we will use here? Very good. We will use 21 blocks. So I have here now 21 blocks. After that, 400. How many flats we will use here? Yes, very good. Grade 4. We will use here 4 flats. So we have here 1, 2, 3, and 4 flats. After that is 50. How many longs we will use here? Very good. We will use 5 longs. So I have here 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 longs. Lastly is 3. How many cubes we will use here? Very good. We will use 3 cubes. So I have here now 3 cubes. So therefore, we can visualize 21,453 using blocks as 21 blocks, 4 flats, 5 longs, and 3 cubes. Now, grade 4 pupils, it's your turn. Get a pen and paper, and you need to visualize the given numbers on your own. So I have here, I want you to visualize 11,247 using blocks in 1 minute. Again, in 1 minute, I want you to visualize 11,247 using blocks. Now, are you ready? So your timer starts now. Remember the steps, grade 4 pupils. Again, we use blocks to represent 1,000, flats that represents 100s, longs that represents 10, and cubes that represent 1. You have 25 seconds left. Ten seconds left. Okay, time's up, grade 4 pupils. Time to check. So we ask here to visualize 11,247 using blocks. Again, the first step is we'll convert this number into its expanded form. So the expanded form of 11,247 is 10,000 plus 1,000 plus 200 plus 40 plus 7. And after that is we will illustrate these numbers into its appropriate blocks. So in 10,000 plus 1,000, so we have here now 11,000. Therefore, we will use 11 blocks. Next is 200. Therefore, we will use here 2 flats. And then lastly is 40. Rather, 40, we will use here 4 longs. And lastly, we will use here now 7. We will use here now cubes. So we have here now 7 cubes. Therefore, we can visualize 11,247 using 11 blocks, 2 flats, 4 longs, and 7 cubes. Did you get the same answer, grade 4 pupils? If yes, let's give you a very good clap. How it is done? 3 claps. 1, 2, 3, and very good. Let's give it a try. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, and very good. Now for our next exercise, I will just only give you 30 seconds. Write the number of blocks, flats, longs, or cubes that will represent 64,204. Again, write the number of blocks, flats, longs, or cubes that will represent 64,204. So your 30 seconds starts now. You can do it, grade 4 pupils. 15 seconds left. Okay, time's up. So we ask here to write the number of blocks, flats, longs, or cubes that will represent 64,204. So the answer here is we have 64 blocks, 2 flats, 0 long, and 4 cubes. Did you get the same answer, grade 4 pupils? Very good. Let's give you again a very good clap. 1, 2, 3. Very good. And for our last activity, for visualizing numbers, now I will just only give you again 30 seconds. Now, write the number represented by the given figure. But now, you will comment down your answer in our comment section. Again, you will comment down your answer in our comment section. So you will write the number represented by this given figure. So your 30 seconds starts now. "20 seconds left. Comment down your answer in our comment section. 10 seconds left. Okay, time's up. The correct answer is 17,469 because we have here 17 blocks, 4 flats, 6 longs, and 9 cubes. Did you get the same answer? If yes, let's give you again a very good clap. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Remember, grade 4 pupils, that in steps in representing numbers by using blocks is, the first step is, we will convert number standard form to its expanded form. And after that is, we will illustrate numbers with appropriate blocks. Now, I have here now a picture. Do you know what kind of chart is this? Very good. This is a place value chart because our next lesson is about place value and value of a digit in numbers up to 100,000. But first, let's define what is place value and what is value. Place value is a system in which the position of a digit in a number determines its value, while value is a numerical worth of a digit. It means the answer, when we talk about value, the answer is number. And to get the value of a digit is we will multiply the digit by its place value. So, I have here now a number. 52,514. Now, we will recite the place value starting from your right to left. So, we have here now ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s. Take note that 4 here is in ones place. The digit 1 here is in tens place. The digit 5 here is in hundreds place. 2 here is in thousands place. And last is 5 is in 10,000s place. Now, let's have example. So, what number you see here? Very good. 23,791. And what is the underlined digit? Very good. 7. Now, the place value of 7 here is hundreds. Now, to get the value of 7, you will just multiply its digit by its place value. So, in short, you will multiply 7 by its place value, which is hundreds, or simply 7 times 100. And what is 7 times 100? The answer is, the value of 7 is 700. Very good. Now, the next example. What is the place value and value of 8 in 82,366? Here. So, the place value of 8 here is 10,000s. Now, to get the value, we will just simply multiply the digit, which is 8, and its place value, which is 10,000. So it means that we will multiply 8 times 10,000. And what is 8 times 10,000? The value of 8 now is 80,000. Now, it's your turn again. In 15 seconds, I want you to give the place value. Again, the place value. So the answer is words of the underlined digit. So the underlined digit here is 98,989. So what is the place value of the underlined digit in 98,989? Again, you will comment down your answer in our comment section. So your 15 seconds starts now. Ten seconds left. Time's up, grade 4 pupils. It's time to check. Let's check your work. What is the place value of the underlined digit in 98,989? So we will recite the place value starting from your right to left. So we have here now ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s. So therefore, the place value of the underlined digit, which is 8, is thousands. Very good. Did you get the same answer? If yes, let's give you a hooray clap. How it is done? 3 claps. 1, 2, 3, and said, hooray! Let's give it a try. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, hooray! Very good. Now for our next question is, what is the value of the underlined digit in 82,067? Again, what is the value of the underlined digit in 82,067? You will comment again your answer in our comment section. So we talk about here value. Therefore, the answer is number. Again, the answer is number. So your 15 seconds starts now. Okay, time's up. Let's check your work. What is the value of the underlined digit in 82,067? So, the place value of 8 here is 10,000. And we will just multiply 8 and 10,000. So, the answer is 80,000. Therefore, the value of 8 in 82,067 is 80,000. Did you get the same answer? Very good. Let's give you again a hooray clap. 1, 2, 3, hooray! Just remember, grade 4 pupils, that to get the place value of a number, we will recite the place value starting from your right to left. And to get the value of a number, you will just multiply the digit by its place value. Now, 14,526 is really a big number, right? But can you write it in words? Because now, our next lesson is how to read and write numbers in symbols and in words up to 100,000. Now, there are steps on how can we read and write numbers in symbols. The first step is you will put its digit to its place value. So our 6 here is in 1's place. 2 is in 10's place. 5 is in hundreds place, 4 is in thousands place, and 1 is in 10,000s place. So take note of this, grade 4 pupils, that 6, 2, and 5 are in the period of units, while we have here 4 and 1 are in the period of thousands. For our next step, for our step 2, is we'll read and write the number starting from left. Remember to read and write its group by 3-digit. So in period of thousands, so we have here 1 and 4 or 14. So we can simply write it in words as 14,000. And don't forget the comma symbol. And then after that, in period of units, so we have here 526 or simply 526. Therefore, we can write it in words as 14,526. Now, let's have another example. We have here now 40,023. Step 1 is we'll put its digit to its place value. 3 is in ones place, 2 is in tens place, 0 is in hundreds place, another 0 for thousands place, and 4 is in 10,000s place. After that is, you will read and write the number starting from left. Remember to read and write its group by 3 digits. So we have here 40. So we can simply write it as 40,000 and the comma symbol. And then in the period of units, we have 0, 2, 3 or simply 20 hyphen symbol 3. Take note of this. We use only hyphen symbol from numbers 21 to 99, except for the numbers that ends with 0. Now, how if it is vice versa? You will write the words in symbol. We have here 38,456. So again, you will start from the period of thousands. In 38,000, you can simply write it as 38. And 456, you can simply write it as 456. Or simply 38,456. Now, next example is 52,026. So 52,000, we have here now 5, 2. And then the 26 is 0, 2, 6. Because in period of units, there are 3 digits. And 0 here is what you called the placeholder. Now, it's your turn, grade 4. In 1 minute, write the number in words. And you will just, again, comment down your answer in our comment section. Write the number in words, 83,209. Are you ready, grade 4 pupils? Very good. If you are ready, your 1 minute starts now. Comment down your answer in our comment section. "25 seconds left. "15 seconds. Okay, time's up, grade 4 pupils. It's time to check your work. Now, we ask here to write the number in words. So the correct answer is 83,209. Now check your work. Did you get the same answer? If yes, let's give you a boom, boom clap. How it is done. So 3 claps, 1, 2, 3, and boom, boom. Let's give it a try. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, boom, boom. Okay, very good. Now, for our next activity, I will just only give you 15 seconds. And you will just comment again your answer in our comment section. So, the question is, write the words in symbol. 70,306. Again, 70,306. So, your 15 seconds starts now. So, time's up, grade 4 pupils. So, your 15 seconds. So, it's time to check your work. So, we ask here, 70,306. So, here have your 70,000. So, we can simply write it as 70. And then we have your 306. We can simply write it as 306. Did you get the same answer, grade 4 pupils? Very good. Now, let's give you again a boom, boom, clap. Ready? Go! 1, 2, 3, boom, boom. Yan. Just remember, grade 4 pupils, that in steps in reading and writing numbers is we will put its digit to its place value. And after that is you will read and write the number starting from left. Remember to read and write its group by 3 digits. Now, it's time for a question and answer. Just comment down again your question in our comment section. So I hope you learn from me a lot, you know. Now, if there are questions, just comment down your answer. Rather, your questions. So I have here now a question. Sir, ano po ang dapat gamitin sa paghihiwalay ng numbers? Comma o space? Now, since Tagalog yan, Tagalog din natin answerin. So, ano daw ang dapat gamitin sa paghihiwalay ng numbers? Comma ba o space? So, when we talk about numbers, so, paghihiwalayin natin ang period of thousands and period of units by using only space. For example, 14,526. So, 14 and then space and then 5 to 6. 14,526. Now, pero kapag words ang pinag-uusapan natin, 14,000 na words and then the comma symbol. So, pinaghihiwalay natin ang period of units and period of thousands by using a comma kapag words. Now, are there any questions pa ba? So, I have here another question. Kailan po ginagamit ang hyphen kapag nagsusulat ng numbers in words? So, we only use hyphen symbol. Hyphen symbol parang minus, ha? Hyphen symbol kapag from numbers 21 na words hanggang 99 na words. Again, 21 na word hanggang 99 na word. 21 to 99, except sa mga numbers na nagtatapos kay 0, like 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90. Now, if there are no more questions, again, I'm your teacher, Ruel, from Apollonia F. Rafael Elementary School, saying, anuman ang sitwasyon, tuloy ang edukasyon. But for your assignment, answer formative assessment number 1 in your self-learning module. So let's call it a day. Goodbye, grade 4 pupils. See you again next time.
Dahil sa COVID-19 pandemic, Napilitan tayong magbago ng paraan ng pamumuhay. Ika nga nila, new normal. At maging sa edukasyon, kailangan na nating sumulong patungo sa new normal. Ang pamahalaang lungsod ng Valenzuela ay gumawa ng hakbang upang matiyak ang tuloy-tuloy na pagkatuto ng bawat kabataang Valenzuelano. Sa pakikipagtulungan sa Department of Education o DepEd Valenzuela, ilulunsad na natin sa parating na school year ang Valenzuela Live. Ang Valenzuela Live ay isang online streaming school kung saan maaaring magpatuloy ang klase ng mga mag-aaral kahit sila ay nasa kanilang mga tahanan. Paano nga ba ang magiging sistema ng Valenzuela Live? Enrollment. Sa buong buwan ng Hunyo hanggang sa ika-15 ng Hulyo 2020 ay isinagawa ang K-12 enrollment sa lahat ng pampublikong paaralan sa Valenzuela City. Nagpatupad ang DepEd Valenzuela ng mga sistema ng enrollment kung saan hindi na kailangan lumabas ng tahanan ang mga estudyante. Learning Pockets. Gumawa ang DepEd Valenzuela ng mga learning materials tulad ng modules, worksheets, at study guides na naaayon sa most essential learning competencies. Ipapamahagi ang mga ito sa bawat mag-aaral sa iba't ibang paraan. Internet connectivity. Humigit kumulang 130,000 ang enrollees sa elementary at high school sa Valenzuela City para sa school year 2020 to 2021. At ayon sa isinagawang survey ng DepEd Valenzuela, tinatayang 22,000 sa mga ito ang walang smartphone. At upang tulungan ang ating mga mag-aaral na nangangailangan at mapatutunayang walang smartphone, ang pamahalaang lungsod ng Valenzuela ay magpapahiram sa kanila ng mga gadget. Ang target beneficiary nito ay ang mga kapwa natin Valenzuelano na nabibilang sa poorest of the poor. Ang magulang o guardian naman na ang bahalang sumagot sa wifi o mobile data imbis na gumastos para sa baon at uniforme. Streaming school. Kung dati ay harapan ng diskusyon ng guro at mga estudyante sa loob ng classroom, ngayon ay tablet o smartphone na lang ang magiging kaharap nila. Lahat ng leksyon ay ituturo ng mga guro sa pamamagitan ng video streaming na maaaring mapanood ng kanilang mga estudyante sa kanilang mga gadgets. Ang Valenzuela School of Mathematics and Science o VALMASAI ay gagamitin bilang off-site classroom. Dito isasagawa ng mga guro ang live streaming ng mga klase. Mayroong mga IT technician at moderator na magiging kaagapin ng mga guro para sa mas epektibong online classes. Magkakaroon din ng virtual communities kung saan pwedeng magsagawa ng follow-up discussions ang mga guro at estudyante gamit ang free online platforms na hindi nangangailangan ng mobile data subscription. Maaari rin ditong gumawa ng group chats ang mga magulang kung saan pwede silang mag-usap at magtulungan upang maging mas epektibo ang pag-aaral ng kanilang mga anak. Assessment. Ang mga estudyante ay kailangang bumuo ng portfolio kung saan ilalagay ang lahat ng ginawa nilang pagsasanay na susuri sa kanilang mga natutunan. Ang portfolio na ito ang pagbabasihan ng kanilang magiging grado. Ang pagbibigay ng marka o grado ay ibabatay sa panuntunan na ilalabas ng DepEd. Ngayong new normal, walang kabataang Valenzuelano ang maiiwan. Kaya tayo na Valenzuela, magbalik eskwela na sa tulong ng Valenzuela Live.